Painting a fence gate correctly prevents rot and extends the life of your exterior house paint. Start by selecting the right materials and prep steps for wood that sits near the ground. Choose pressure-treated or a naturally rot-resistant species like cedar or redwood because they resist ground moisture better than standard lumber. Remove all loose paint, mill scale, mold and mildew with a stiff brush or a pressure washer set to low pressure and allow the wood to dry for at least 48 hours before coating. Always use an exterior primer formulated for tannin bleeding and ground contact if you are using pressure-treated wood. This blocks stains and improves topcoat adhesion. For topcoats, pick either an oil-based exterior paint for maximum penetration and water repellency, or a high-quality acrylic exterior paint for flexibility and ultraviolet resistance. If you prefer visible grain, consider a penetrating fence grade stain, which simplifies future maintenance. When applying, brush or back roll into end grain and cut paint into joints and hardware gaps. Avoid spraying alone because overspray can miscut ends and produce uneven protection. Finally, set posts above grade by using concrete footings or elevated post bases and flash end grain with a bit of primer to reduce moisture wicking up from the soil. The most common mistakes are painting over damp or unclean wood, which traps moisture and accelerates peeling, using interior or wrong primers, which fail to block tannins and preservatives, and ignoring end grain and post bases which act like wicks. Fix damp or dirty wood by thoroughly drying and cleaning with a mildew cleaner before any coating. Use an exterior primer specified for treated or high tannin woods, then follow with a compatible exterior top coat to avoid adhesion failures. Treat end grain and elevate posts with proper footings or metal post bases and seal those exposed cuts to prevent moisture ingress. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse their work, so we make it easier to source painters experienced with exterior wood and fence work. We also help contractors find jobs and join our discussion community, where professionals and homeowners exchange practical tips and project photos.